Welcome to TechShopper channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add widgets on your Windows. First open the Microsoft Store, then search for Widgets. Select the first tab that appears. Click on Get to Install. It will automatically install on your desktop. Once the install is complete, click on Open. You can minimize your Microsoft Store. Then click on Continue. Now from here, choose your widgets that you want to add your desktop. I want to add time, then weather, and for date. Once it installed, click on Finish. Now from here, create our first widgets from Create Widgets. I want to add time first. Click on Create. As you can see, the time is added on your desktop. Now we will add one more widgets on desktop, which is date. Click on Create. Create another widgets, weather. Now you can rearrange your widgets on your desktop. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.